good to go back as far as you can to understand which step makes sense, you know, just for yourself, for a deeper understanding, and by that, a deeper experience, you know, and more fun, or also more pain, you know, just like more emotion, and also a deeper intellectual experience, you know, on that level. Yeah, because when I understand where A is and where I am, you know, I can see, okay, you know, where the next logical step is. I don't have to take it, no, not at all. You know, I wouldn't say like, be in the line, you know, son, you need to keep the tradition. You know, that's nonsense. Tradition is what we create right now. You know, this is tradition. You know, every day. Yeah, this is it. Right in the middle of it. You know, when someone comes with a keyboard and plays, you know, a tune that was always played on a cymbal with a keyboard, then that's the tradition. You know, it's that way. Nothing to discuss. You know, it's just like what it is. You know, you can still say, well, maybe that doesn't make so much sense because you're losing something on the way. You know, I mean, of course, you're also gaining something, but you're losing this quality. And to see that and be conscious with what you do as an artist, you know, or as a linguist, or in whatever field, as a cook, you know, as a dancer, in every field, really. I think this understanding is crucial. You know, a certain understanding of where it comes from, and what might have gone in there and what might not, you know, what you love in there and also what you don't like in there. You know, there are certain parts, understanding tradition, why I don't like certain genres as much anymore, you know. I think what I like to, every artist, basically, every artist performs, or every cooker cooks, you know, to think about what they're doing, you know, and make a conscious decision. And even the decision to, I don't care at all, I just want to play, you know, and this is experimental, I want to have fun, you know, this is good too, as long as, you know, give it one thought and be honest with what you do.